In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gemini 2.0 into Google Workspace apps. This process will allow you to enhance your productivity by connecting Gemini's robust features directly with your Google Workspace tools. Follow along as I guide you through each step to ensure a seamless integration. To start off, you'll want to head over to the Google Gemini website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Gemini, or simply click on the link provided in the description below. Once you're on the Gemini homepage, you'll see a variety of options available to you. Look towards the top corner of the page where you'll find the Settings and Help menu. Click on this to proceed. After clicking on Settings and Help, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you should see another menu option labeled Connected Apps. Click on that as well. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage and connect various applications to your Gemini account, maximizing your productivity. With the Connected Apps menu open, the next step is to locate Google Workspace. This is the suite of tools we're aiming to integrate with Gemini. Click on Google Workspace to move forward. Doing this will take you to a new page that outlines the integration process and what you can expect once it's completed. Now, you're almost there. You'll see a button labeled Connect on this page. Go ahead and click on Connect. This is the final step that links Gemini 2.0 with your Google Workspace apps. Clicking Connect might prompt you to log in to your Google account, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you've logged in, just follow any additional prompts to authorize the connection. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Gemini 2.0 with your Google Workspace apps. With this integration, you can now enjoy a streamlined workflow, making it easier to manage tasks, collaborate with your team, and keep your projects on track. Remember, if you encounter any issues during this process, you can always revisit the steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. Keep your browser updated for the smoothest experience, and consider bookmarking the Gemini page for quick access in the future. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy integrating.